What if you could hit pause just long enough to refocus, realign, and reignite your business? That's exactly what the Business Planning Workshop and Marketing Planning Workshops at Nexstar are designed to do. These aren't just meetings, they're your opportunity to take a step out of the daily grind and take ownership of your future.
Carlos, in just 2.5 days, you'll leave with more than just ideas and a budget. You'll walk away with a clear, actionable plan built by you, your team, and refined with your coach.
In the Business Planning Workshop, dial in your financial performance, operational strategy, and leadership priorities to drive growth and profitability.
Marketing Planning Workshop is about mastering your marketing strategy, lead generation, and brand positioning to keep your business top of mind and top of market. Every session is built around your numbers, your team, and your goals. So you're not just learning, you're making decisions that move your business forward.
And here's the exciting part. Business Planning Workshop and Marketing Planning Workshops are getting a major revamp.
We're meeting you where you are, whether you're laying the foundation, optimizing your operations, or pushing for next level performance. We're excited to announce 3 new offerings: Foundational, Core, Plus. More relevant, more focused, and more powerful than ever. This is your business, your results, your experience. Own it.
Your coach is ready to help you choose the right track and prepare for your next business planning and marketing planning workshop experiences. Workshops fill up fast, so reserve your spot today.